Do you have an existing print business and you want to expand to over $1 million a year? This workshop is for you.
Join our Creators Workshop.
We'll teach you our print-on-demand solutions for DTF and DTG.
We'll be covering how to outsource big jobs and get big clients.
Learn from the pros here at OmniPrint International headquarters in Irvine, California.
From sourcing materials to pricing, marketing fundamentals, streamlining processes, and more.
Got a lot of value out of what his message was. It's not just about DTG printing, as a whole, but more or less what it takes to kind of run a successful business. What important key aspects we need to consider as a new business and how to excel from there with these core values.
I need to give a big shout out to OmniPrint. You're educating people in the print shop world, which I do appreciate it.
Our business has been blowing up, and we're a word-of-the-mouth only company.
Spots are filling up fast.
Sign up today for this highly educational and hands-on event. You don't want to miss it.